but DJ played. DJ means you played a throwback anthem. You got that. Free space. Who got you a drink?
We did it, Dad.
Right there, buddy. Got her a drink, and then something dropped in the lake. I was like, what dropped in the lake? She got me a picture of it, too. Somebody dropped a napkin in the lake, and she got a picture of the napkin dropped in the lake. Clap it up one time. Oh, they dropped a chicken bone, too. Clap it up one time for y'all. I got my bag of prizes. I'm going to get it for you right now. Back to y'all. You going up all day now?
Wake up.
Selfie here one time. Put your phone out, get a little selfie. We turn this bitch up. We on the yacht, right? Somebody be over. We can't go out, man. We can't go outside, man. It's early, but we going up.
Let's go. We're on the yacht, man.
We going up. We got Pilates shot in the building. Pilates shot is outside. Hey.
To kiss my stranger.
LP Fitness is here. LP.
She won.
Let's go.
I love your hair, okay?
We're going up, right? Uh-oh, we got a winner. Uh-oh, we got a winner. We got to beat our bingo winner. I need to see all of it. I need to see all of it. I need to see all of it. Show me the receipts. Okay, we hug the stranger. I see Ranger. Selfie with Bdaht. Okay. Okay. Kiss the stranger. Okay. Hold on. Selfie on the boat. We got a bingo. We're gonna do that bingo winner, KC. And make sure you get that bingo in. Select your prize one time. Pick anything you want. It's for you. Oh. Don't run off with the bag now. Hey. Let's go.
How you gonna play me like
Give it up for KC one time. Bingo winner. Bdaht bingo winner. She got her prize. Make sure you play your Bdaht bingo. Get your award. We voted it. Let's go. Hey. We came to the party, right? Hey. Chief lawyer in the building. Best lawyer in the city. Best lawyer in North Carolina. All that. Hey. Let's go. It's real early. I promise you can go all the way up. Keep that drinking it up. One more time when I go. I was Hey, make sure I tip the tea at the bar now. She brought up some really good drinks. Big Yacht. Come on. DJ Get Me Easy in the building. We outside with Big Yacht vibes. Let's go. Come on. We found it. Get a drink in.
To show me that you understand.
Hold up, Tracy. Hold up, Tracy. I need to see proof now. I need to see proof. You got to show me. Okay, selfie with the CPT. Okay, respect. Okay. Go back in. Dance to a slow song. Hold up. Hold up now. Okay. I see you dancing. You can get Stranger's phone number now. Hold up now. You don't seem like the type of Who got the number? Okay. Last but not least, let's the Virgo's Cash App. Ooh, look, 10-piece hot wings. Okay. Look, 10-piece. Make your way to the prizes. Hey, we're giving out straight awards right now. Make sure you get your Bdaht bingo in. Hey, we're going up all night. Let's go. DJ M&E's going crazy. Hey. Do we give it a dance or what? Hold on. Who got to do it? I know you got to do it. You was ready to do it. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, we came to the party, right? We came to the party, right? We came to the party, right? I want to see you there one time. Hold on, hold on. Ooh. Hold on, we came to the party one time. We're not doing that standing around shit. It's Bdaht's birthday party. We're on it out there. Can we go up? Let's go. Hey, hit that shit. Let's go. Bdaht, we're gonna do it today, bro. We're gonna do it today, bro. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. We got the dancers in the building. Hold on, they hit it right now. Hey, hit it one time. Let's go. Hey, hit it one time. Hit it one time. Ooh, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Hey, we got Bdaht shouting. We got Bdaht shouting in the building. Hit it one time. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, I like people saying, you was the first one to get out when we started this dance. You was ready to go. I like this shit. Let's go.
I said, yeah, motherfucker.
Let's go. Hey, hit it one time. Turn it. That's it. Come on, bad news. Come on, ladies. Hey. Come on. We're going to be rocking. Hey. Let's go. I know we got some steppers in the building now.
Why y'all doing that?
I know we got some steppers in this motherfucker. Come on. Let's go. Hold on. Where my steppers at? Let's go. Where my steppers at? Where my steppers at? Hey, hey, hey. Where they at now? Where the fans at?
I said, yeah, motherfucker.
That guy could have fucking him.
Hey.
Just fine.
Come on. Let's go. Where the steppers? Hit that shit one time. We going up now. This a real party. I like to move all over my jaw. Let's go. Yeah, Bdaht. I told you I was going to turn this motherfucker up, Bdaht. Get the footwork. And the fans. Bow, 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 bow. Let's go. Where they at now?
I cannot.
We got a big old one now. Steppers. Yeah, Bdaht. Hit that shit, brother. Hit that shit, what's up, brother? Where they at now? Rolling, rolling. What's that now? Where they at now? Ooh. Where they at? Where they at now? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? That's it. We're going up now. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
and you are now rocking with DJ Yacht.
I said, yeah, motherfucker.
Turn it. I see my steppers in here. Get that shit on. Ooh, hit that shit. Hit that shit. Back it up. Back it up. Turn it. Let's go. Hit that shit. Ooh. Turn it. Turn it. Hit that shit. Bam. 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 Back it up. Back it up. Turn it. Let's go. Come here. That way. Turn it. Turn it now. Hey, hit that shit. Where your hips at? Back it up. Turn it. Come on. What you doing over there real quick? Hey, what you doing over there? You look too good to be sitting there now. Get your ass up. Turn me up one time. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let me see you go. Hit that shit. Ooh, look at the line of shouting. Back it up there. Turn it. Hey, let's go. Try it one time. Come on. Turn that thing. Again. Now. Ooh, hit the thing. Hey, that's it. Back it up. Back it up. Turn it. Let's go. See all of it. We gotta beat up Hero winner one time. We got a winner. Naya, we gotta beat up winner. We gotta beat up Hero winner. Let's see something. We got a spill drink. Quick announcement. Pay attention, y'all. Pay attention. Real quick.
Yeah, we don't bring up custodians when we do this. You all familiar with the TV show on Netflix called Hunting Wives? Yeah, if you go to episode 3, minute mark 9, you'll see that beach right there between that White House and the sailboat. They took over that beach for a day, made it look like a hot beach in Texas. Umbrellas, beach balls. They had 80 people on that beach, and it ended up being 20 seconds in the show. That's my neighbors. That sailboat's my sailboat. Yeah, that's where the Destiny scene took off. And they had a drawing, and the other one, hold on. Over here, behind the blue screen, is where Michael Jordan's house used to be. There's an absolutely beautiful mansion that they happened to throw away to go to another beautiful mansion. It's nuts. And then over here, this beach is the Ramsey Creek Beach. It's the only public access beach in Mecklenburg County. But this is Dr. Mike's backyard.
I appreciate that. Now, Dr. Mike told me that before we took off. He said that if any of y'all watch Hunting Wives on Netflix, I watched a scene or two. It looks like watching a porno. It was weird. But nevertheless, over there, they shot scenes over there. I didn't even know it was a fucking public beach right here. Did y'all know that shit? I did not know it was a public beach right there on Lake Long. I mean, I won't go probably, but and I didn't know that Michael Jordan had a crib. That blue strip over there, that was Michael Jordan's old crib. He probably slayed a bunch of whatever. That's not the hit up there. That's not the hit up there. If you're enjoying yourself, say hell yeah. Okay, man, we gotta get to some names in a second, but right now we just vibing. I want to. Hey, listen, all right, everybody's playing bingo, right? Everybody's playing bingo. On the sheet where it says, call your ex on speakerphone and then tell them you missed them. Everybody in here just skip that one, right? Not one person. There's one person on this boat. Now I've got video footage that actually FaceTime their ex and said, I miss you. I'll share that with y'all in a minute. Let's go in a minute. Get back to the music. I'll share that in a minute. Oh, he done. He done. He done like that. Just bring it low. Just bring it low. Just bring it low. You ain't got to cut it off. All right, so, spilled drink. Let me see the spilled drink. I saw you over there taking a picture of a spilled drink over there. My brother got a picture of a spilled drink. Somebody spilled the drink over there. That's it right there. I see the spilled drink. Okay. And then, what's that with someone what? Someone dropped their glass. You dropped your glass. You drop them, folks. Drop their glasses. Ooh, look at that. There it is. Okay. What's next? Free space. Then, yep, a TikTok. You got a TikTok? Oh, you did a TikTok out here too? You was out here wilding. You was really enjoying yourself, and I appreciate that. My brother did a whole TikTok of the boat. But this is the one. Oh, the TikTok right there. Yeah. Yeah. Jay, y'all in there. Jay Camp, he got y'all in the TikTok too. Yeah, Cheryl, you in the TikTok too. He got you in there too. But this one right here. He FaceTimed his ex and told her he missed her. What is your ex name? Kaya. And what did Kaya say? She laughed. Y'all got that relationship, y'all still be fornicating? A little bit. A little bit, Hey, go over there to the bag, man, to the bag of prizes and pick out something, man. Let's go get me. We back on you. Whatever you want out the bag of prizes. Yeah, Power Ranger. Power Ranger. LP, where you at? You on the clock, man. I'm just having a good time.